Hello everybody, let me show you something. Today I just want to show you candy M&M Mega peanut. It's a sharing side. There's a resealable zipper, and there's a Mega more chocolate, bigger peanuts. And the neck weight is 9.6 ounces, and that's 272.2 grams. What else here? 140 calories, 3 grams saturated fat, that means 50% TV, and 15 sodium, 1% TV, 14 grams total sugars. That is on the front. On the back here, M&M many ways to mix M&M here, and this on this side, nutrition facts. That's about 10 servings per container. Serving size is 1 ounce, 28 grams, about 7 pieces. So take 7 pieces by 10. That means in this bag is 70 pieces. What else? Amount per serving calories 140. And here total fat is 7 grams. That means 9% daily. And next is in 7 grams total fat, they have a saturated fat 3 grams, translucent fat 0 grams, and then grams is 1%, total carbohydrate 17 grams. That's 6%, and that's 6% they have dietary fibers 1 gram, total sugars 140 grams, include in that total sugar includes 13 grams added sugar and protein 3 grams. That's it, the percent daily value. Oh, the daily value tell you how much nutrient in a serving of food contributes to the daily diet. 2,000 calories a day is used for general nutrition advice. And on the side, they have a milk chocolate. In that milk chocolate, they have sugar, chocolate, skim milk, cocoa butter, lactose, milk fat. Peanuts, soy, and lecithin, salt, artificial and natural flavors. Also, they have peanuts, sugar, cornstarch, and 1% corn syrup. Dextrin, palm oil, coloring include blue 1 leg, yellow 6, red 40, yellow 5, blue 1, yellow 6 leg, red 40 leg, yellow 5 legs, blue 2 leg, blue 2 carnauba wax, gum, sassia something. Allergy information contains peanuts, milk, and soy may contain 3 nuts. So that's the really okay. That's partially product with the generic engineering. And here, that's the best before August 2019. And there, okay, let me open inside for you to see. And I know you don't want to take a look. Listen here and listen to me. Okay, now let me tell you about this bag here. That is so easy. It's so convenient, right? That inside. Yeah. Okay. We have yellow, blue, green, kind of red, pink. I have purple. Oh. Oh, here. How it look like? It's chocolate and peanut here. If you have allergy with the peanuts, you should not eat it. I have no problem with peanuts, so I can eat it. Sorry. Blue, green, lovely. So that's peanut and that's chocolate. No, green. I missed that. It's green. So I try to do not purple, kind of brown or something. Alright, let me move here so you can see. That's clear. Then when I put it there in the bag, it's difficult to see. So as a green, blue, only 5 color. Okay, I try. This is yeah. This is not purple. Just kind of dark brown. And I did try these two. Now let me try, no, these two. The same, just a different other color. Come on. Two. You want to like some more? Oh, I eat a lot. I will get a hyper. Okay, let me try a little more. Up. Up. Oh, this one I don't see peanut at all. Let me try again. Peanut. So, I will leave it up here. How's that? So after I eat all these, that means I eat today 7 M&M candy. No, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and another 2 already. That's mean 8. I will get a hyper. No, when I get sugar and I get hyper, it's not a hyper. Get mad by hyper. I mean, I do a lot of stuff. I start cleaning the house. I start doing all the stuff like non-stop. Most of the time, I'm lazy. lazy clean up. So alright, thank you for watching. See you next video when I open something. Okay. Bye bye. If you don't have, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so we will when you will receive the information when I upload the new video. Thank you. Bye bye. I know some. Bye.